The wallpaper's fading where the picture frames used to hang, a ghost of a memory in this quiet, empty pane. I traced the cracks upon the floor, a map I knew by heart. This house is just a skeleton now that we're apart. The dust motes dance in sunbeams like fireflies in the day, a silent, slow motion, beautiful display. And oh, these walls are whispering, echoes of a simpler spring. We painted dreams in every room, chased the shadows with the gloom. Now I'm just learning how to see in the dark where the light used to be. Found your old sweater tucked inside a forgotten drawer. It doesn't smell like you at all, not even like before. The backyard's overgrown now, the swing set's gone to rust, but sometimes in the silence I still hear our laughter's thrust. A sudden burst of happiness, a relic from the past, a beautiful reminder that nothing ever lasts. And oh, these walls are whispering, echoes of a simpler spring. We painted dreams in every room, chased the shadows with the gloom. Now I'm just learning how to see in the dark where the light used to be. It wasn't thunder, it wasn't a fire, just a slow, gentle letting go of a wire that held up the stars, that held up the moon. A silent ending, a forgotten tune. And I'm not angry, just wistful and still, learning to breathe with a phantom of will, where the light used to be. I close my eyes and I can